A lot of people do not prefer to do them also because of the ethics involved. They may feel that it's not a good product for the elderly, because why would you take all your equity out of your home? It's paid for, and then you pay interest on it, or do this, or or whatever. They may feel you need to save that equity for your children or your grandchildren. Maybe they have medical debt that they need to have paid. It could be that they want to do an addition on their home, or travel, or any number of reasons why someone would personally decide that they want to take out a reverse mortgage. Now, ethically, if it doesn't line up with you and your morals, I would not take the assignment. Don't take the assignment and get there and try to convince the person not to do it. I have heard people say that also, that they ethically do not believe that elderly people should be doing reverse mortgages. Should they or shouldn't they? I don't know. That's a personal decision. I'm only there to identify them, confirm who they are, and facilitate the signing. And that's the only reason you should be there too.